Hi friends, this video shows how to fix issue phone randomly dimming. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. Go to settings, tap on this settings app icon, then go to display. Under display you can see adaptive brightness. If adaptive brightness is on like this, the phone will automatically dim the brightness level. It will automatically increase or decrease the brightness level. Let me show. Let me put hand on top of the phone. You can see brightness level is decreased to 35%. Let me tap here on brightness level. So then let me put this hand on top of the phone. There is a sensor. Sensor will detect the light, then automatically adjust the brightness level. You can see phone automatically decreasing the brightness. See, now it's 21%. Let me take hand. See, now it's increasing the brightness. So this is a problem. So if you want this feature, you can just enable like this. So if you don't want, you can just tap here and disable. So that way we can fix that issue, randomly dimming the phone screen display. So this way we can fix that issue. Just disable the adaptive brightness. Okay, so I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please check it.